McQ is a very high technology company, one that develops some of the most advanced products in the world today. The work that we're doing here affects people all over this country. It's probably invisible to them, but we have systems that are protecting our southern border. We have systems that are helping to find terrorists and help the various agencies of the government to deal with counterterrorism.
Our equipment would be typically buried along a border, detecting people, vehicles, aircraft. We would classify the target and we would provide imagery of the target.
This is a micro radar unit. So this unit actually transmits signals and looks for the return of the signals, and based on the return does all the processing on board to determine what type of target it is, how fast they're going, and where they're actually headed. What's shown here is actually this micro radar right up here, and as it comes up with detections, as shown here, an icon pops up and the track of the target actually pops up.
We make sensors that are made to go out in the austere environment, survive underwater. They can survive harsh temperatures, basically unattended, nobody around. And we basically take ideas that engineering brings in. We put it into metal, plastic, put it out on the street.
With the ability to start a company here in Stafford County, I decided to leave the government, start a business, and the help of the economic development staff directly with the county people responsible for all of the necessary things you have to go through to build a building helped us a great deal to get launched. The county is very business friendly, and that's very valuable.
It enables our employees to work close to home and not have to commute to Washington, D.C.
Great group of people to work with. The boss is a down-to-earth guy, treats everybody just like it's his family. It's just a great place to be with.
It's really rewarding to see the software that you're working on, as an example, actually being used by real people and working with them to come up with improvements along the way.
I would not have known 30 years ago where we wound up today, and yet we're pushing ahead in some frontiers that are going to be really, really important in the future.